In today's video, I'll teach you how to increase Wi-Fi speed on Windows 10 or 11. Right now I'm using Windows 10, but the process is similar for Windows 11 too. So at first what you can do is simply try optimizing the network adapter settings. For that, what you have to do is right click on the start icon. Now click on this option, device manager. Now after you do that, the device manager will be opened. Find the option for network adapters and simply expand it. Now you'll be able to see various options over here. Find your Wi-Fi and right click on it. After you do that, click on this option, properties. Now the properties will be opened over here. What you can do is click on this option, advanced. Now over here you'll be able to see several property. Simply scroll down and find this option for preferred band. Once you do that, click on it. Now in the section for value, what you have to do is click. Now click on this option, prefer 5 GHz band. After you do that, click on this option, OK. Now once you do that, the changes will be saved. Now what you have to do is open the properties again. Right click on the Wi-Fi and click on this option, properties. Now click on the option advanced again. Now in the property, what you have to do is click on this option, roaming aggressiveness. Now over here, simply click on this field. Now what you have to do is simply click on this option, lowest, or you can also click on this option, medium to low. After you do that, click on this option, OK again. Now again open the properties. Now after you do that, click on this option, power management. Now over here you'll be able to find this option, allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Simply uncheck it. Now click on this option, OK. Now after you do that, you can also try updating the driver of network adapter. For that, what you have to do is right click again. Now click on this option, update driver. Wait for a while, follow through the prompts and the driver will be updated. Now your Wi-Fi speed will be increased. Now you can also flush the DNS cache in order to increase the Wi-Fi speed. For that, open the command as administrator. Now simply type in IP config /plus DNS. Press enter. Now after you do that, the DNS will be flushed. Now again your Wi-Fi speed should increase. Now after you adjust these settings on the PC, also make sure your router is optimized. Make sure to update the router firmware. Ensure your router is running the latest firmware. Also make sure to position the router correctly. Elevate the router in a central location. Make sure to avoid the thick walls and metal objects. This will also help you to increase the Wi-Fi speed. So that is how you increase Wi-Fi speed on Windows 11 or 10. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.